What does it take to create a legacy?
Pure passion.
Whatever you promise, you deliver.
Hard work, honesty, integrity.
Quality is at the core. That's not going to change.
Staying true to our beliefs of quality and value.
Technically strong performing products.
Capable of standing the opposition.
If we don't adapt, we'll be left behind.
And sometimes, legacy is like a lamp that takes a lifetime to light, but goes on to illuminate the path for generations to come. Presenting one such legacy, the legacy of Technic Group. Like all good things, this story begins with a dream.
Father's dream was the one which was motivating us.
He wanted his sons to take over with something different.
We took that gala for 5,000 deposit, which our mother lent us.
It's a small little place which we have. 300 square feet area.
I mean, it was a struggle.
At times we used to walk it up, and sometimes we used to hire a
Lunchtime bicycle for 25 paise to bring our tiffin.
We've heard all these stories from them.
The machine used to be on the table. We used to step on the table and bring it down with our foot and hanging down on the machine. Believe me, that time we could do it. And we did it. Again, motivation was there from our elders.
Inspired by the younger brothers, the two elder brothers joined the family business.
They were really important.
Quality because of Shyam. Marketing was with Girdhar, and we two brothers, younger ones, only in the production.
All the four brothers were uniquely different from each other.
They were visionaries, the ones who implemented the bigger plans of life.
Having completed the perfect team, there was no looking back now.
We set up one factory after another and a new set of products, new range of products for a new market.
Whatever products we have developed, the main focus has been on the customer's requirements.
And then down the line, become a market leader in that.
It's always been a top line growth and a bottom line growth every year.
The Jai Singh brothers laid the foundation of Technic, but not without the silent, unrelenting support from the women of the family.
They are the strength, they are the pillars behind all these men.
They helped us a lot. They helped us a lot in building up this company.
And from those who played an instrumental part in this story.
The company is all about its people.
We are very, very happy with the number of people we have.
It was always work with, not for. So that is something that has grown with us through the time.
You know, my brother goes on the shop floor. He'll speak to them to the extent they even know their families.
Sometimes you need darkness to see the glimmer of light and hope. For the Jai Singh brothers, that light was their extended family, the workforce.
Floods what we had in our factory, and then the fire we had in the BKC. The motivation was our workers and the staff.
The past 50 years saw not just a growing business, but also the flourishing of a family, the Technic family.
ऐसा नहीं लगता कि वो हमारे बॉस है या कुछ हमसे ज़्यादा.
My director knows them by name.
And that is the case with all our employees. They've always treated them like family.
The doctor has told I can't able to walk. That much is a major accident. Mr. Girdhar Jai Singh, one day he called him and he told me, I will see to that you are going to stand in your legs.
If before developing a product, we have a meeting. It's an open forum for people to speak.
We were part of every important decision which the company took. It helped to, build trust in each other, confidence with each other, and that's how we progressed in life to reach where we are today.
From 300 square feet to being a global entity, today Technic has the strength, the capacity and the trust of dealers and consumers who have now become a part of their family. And through this entire journey, there's one thing that's remained unchanged at Technic, and that is
Quality.
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 We are known for quality.
the generations may change, as may the faces at the helm, but the values that set them apart remain the same.
Well, like any business, there have been many ups and downs, but we have stayed true to our philosophy of providing quality products to our customers.
A lot of the qualities and traits which we have inherited from our first generation.
Because of those foundations and all the steps on the platform that they had created for us, we could leapfrog to another platform.
It has always been my dad's dream to have all the daughters of the Jaising family to be a part of this organization.
And I'm very happy that I did join when he was around, and he had this big smile and he said, "Oh, finally, all my betis are here."
When the new generation will come, so they will always take it from the good to the better.
They are definitely going to take it far, far more ahead.
What started as a dream, a seed sown into the hearts of a family, is now a magnanimous, life-giving, nourishing reality. A tree that has grown tall and wide, providing shade and support to everyone who calls it family.
मुझे इधर बहुत एक्सपीरियंस मिला और इम्प्रूवमेंट कैसे ला सकते हैं हमारे काम में वो बताते वो.
Because always we are feeling they are behind us. If anything goes wrong, they are there to stick out.
अभी तो मैं छोड़ के नहीं जाएगा, अभी और भी सीखे.
Here's to the last 50 years of learning together, growing together, being together.
Technique is still the same focus for all of us.
All of us grew up thinking that this is your baby.
So I'm feeling really proud. In fact, I'm excited that I will be taking it forward.
The next generation should bring this organization to a level that Technic के साथ काम करने को दिल करता है.
तो आसमान खुला है, कहाँ तक जाएंगे वो हम पे निर्भर करता है.